How to add link to Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, on the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and here you can select any of the post. So you can create new post as well, and if you don't want to create new post, you can add link to your older Instagram post. I'm going to select on one of this older Instagram post. So tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and select on edit option. Now you can simply first of all put the link in the caption, and next what you can do is tap on add location and simply tap on OK and paste the link right on the location as well. So as you do that, you can simply tap on add location. So let's just add this location over here, and as we do that, you can simply turn on the location services for now. Let's just turn on and simply paste the link over here on the location side. As we do that, we can simply do that and then go back, and this way you can add link to Instagram post. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.